In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy static websites on Netlify. If you have a static website and you want to get it online quickly, Netlify makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect your code repository, configure the basic deployment settings, and publish your site so it's live on the web. To begin, open the Netlify app dashboard and log into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your main projects area. This is where Netlify keeps all of your sites and deployments, so it's the starting point for creating a new project. Once you're on the dashboard, click the button labeled Add a New Project. This is the option that starts the setup process for bringing a new website into Netlify. After you click it, Netlify will guide you through connecting the source of your website files. Next, choose your version control provider. Netlify supports common options like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Select the one that contains your website's code, then complete the authorization prompt if Netlify asks for access. This connection is important because it allows Netlify to pull your files directly from your repository and in many cases automatically redeploy your site whenever you push updates later on. After authorization, you'll see a list of repositories available from that provider. Select the specific repository that contains your static website code. Make sure you choose the correct project, especially if you manage multiple repositories, because this determines which files Netlify will deploy. Once the repository is selected, you'll move on to the build settings. This is where you tell Netlify how your site should be prepared for deployment. Depending on your setup, you may need to specify a build command and a publish directory. For a simple static website, the configuration is often minimal, but it's still important to review these settings carefully so Netlify knows where to find the final site files. If your project already has a standard structure, Netlify may detect some of these values automatically, which can save time. When everything looks correct, click Deploy Site. Netlify will begin building and publishing your website right away. In just a few moments, your production site should be live. You'll then be able to access it using the URL Netlify provides. That's the full process for deploying a static website on Netlify. Once your site is live, future updates can be much easier since Netlify can redeploy directly from your connected repository.